So now that I got my sanding disc on the side of my grinder, I want to put a platform on here. So what I'm going to do, I've cut a piece of styrofoam and I want to heat this up here and then push the styrofoam into it. And I did try one earlier, and as you can see here, it's got the shape that it needed to be to rest into that. Only problem is I did break the top of it, so I had to make another one. And then when I did go to foundry it, alright, so this is the one we made. As you can see, it's got that right shape to fit in through here. Okay, just got to take my screws off, machine it up nice and flush, and mount it. That's what this is here for, is to support it through here. I've finished filling and cleaning it, filling and sanding it up, and mounted it. And I've put this one on as my adjustment screw to alter the plate, whether it was level or not. And seems to be pretty square.